Welcome to Lana English Channel.
Hi there. That's a nice tent. Are you camping alone?
Hi, thank you. Yes, just me. I love being in nature. Are you camping too?
Yes, I am. My tent is over there. I'm Tom, by the way. What's your name?
Nice to meet you, Tom. I'm Sarah. This park is so beautiful, isn't it?
It really is. The mountains look amazing. Is this your first time here?
No, I come here every summer. I love this place. What about you?
This is my second time. I came here last year with my friends, but this time I'm alone.
That's nice. Where are you from, Tom?
I'm from Canada. I live in Toronto. And you?
I'm from Australia. I live in Sydney. I'm traveling around America now.
Wow, Australia. That's so far away. How old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm 24. And you?
I'm 26. So you're traveling alone? That's brave.
Thank you. I love traveling. It's my hobby. I want to see the world.
That sounds amazing. What do you do for work in Australia?
I'm a teacher. I teach English to children. What about you?
I'm a photographer. I take pictures for magazines and websites.
Oh, that's cool. Do you have your camera with you?
Yes, I do. I'm taking pictures of the park. The sunset here is beautiful.
I'd love to see your photos sometime. Photography sounds like a fun job.
It is. I travel a lot for work too, but not as far as Australia.
So, what do you like to do in your free time besides photography?
I love hiking and camping, as you can see. I also play guitar. What about you?
I love reading books and cooking and traveling, of course. Do you cook when you camp?
A little bit. Just simple things. I brought some pasta and canned food. What did you bring?
I have sandwiches, fruit, and some snacks, and lots of water. Camping makes me hungry.
Me too. Are you a good cook at home?
I think so. I love making pasta and pizza. Italian food is my favorite.
Italian food is delicious. My favorite food is Mexican food. I love tacos and burritos.
Yum! I love Mexican food too. Do you have good restaurants in Toronto?
Yes, we do. Toronto has food from all over the world. Sydney must be the same.
It is. We have amazing Asian food. Chinese, Japanese, Thai, everything.
That sounds great. Do you speak any other languages?
I speak a little Spanish. I studied it in school. What about you?
I speak French. Many people in Canada speak French and English.
That's useful. I want to learn French someday. It sounds beautiful.
It is. Maybe you can visit Canada and practice.
I'd love to. Canada is on my travel list. Is it cold there?
In winter, yes, very cold. But summer is nice. Not too hot.
Australia gets very hot in summer, sometimes 40 degrees.
Wow, that's too hot for me. I like cooler weather.
I like both hot and cold. That's why I travel.
So, do you camp often?
Yes, I try to camp every month. I started camping when I was a child with my family.
That's sweet. I started camping in university. My friends and I went to the beach.
Beach camping sounds fun. Do you prefer mountains or beach?
Both are nice, but I think I prefer mountains. They're so peaceful. And you?
I agree. Mountains are my favorite. The air is so clean and fresh.
Exactly. And the stars at night are incredible here.
Yes. Did you see them last night? The sky was so clear.
I did. I stayed up late just looking at the stars. It was magical.
I love doing that too. It makes you feel so small, doesn't it?
It does, in a good way.
This is going to be a great evening.
I agree. I'm so glad I met you, Sarah. You seem like a really nice person.
Thank you, Tom. You're very kind too. I love meeting new people when I travel.
Travel friends are the best friends. Come on, let's get that fire started.
Perfect. I can't wait to hear you play guitar later.
And I can't wait to try your chocolate. This is going to be a perfect camping night.
Did you enjoy the conversation? Now let's take a quick dive into what we've learned in this video. Ready? Let's jump in and explore together. They talk about many things, like where they're from, what they do, their favorite foods, and why they love nature. Now let's take a look at 5 useful English words from the conversation and what they mean. Admire. This means to respect or look up to someone or something. Sarah talks about how she loves traveling and seeing the world. Tom might admire her courage for doing it alone. For example, I admire her courage. Discover. This means to find something for the first time. Tom and Sarah both discovered the beauty of the national park. For example, they discovered a new island. Decide, to make a choice or pick between options. Sarah decided to visit the park this summer. Tom decided to come alone this time. For example, I decided to study English every day. Confuse. This is when something is difficult to understand. Even though nothing was confusing in the conversation, it's a good word to know when something doesn't make sense. For example, this question confused me. Improve. This means to make something better. Tom and Sarah both travel to explore and improve their life experiences. For example, I want to improve my English skills. Great! Now let's explore 5 useful phrases they used in their conversation. 1. Nice to meet you. This is a polite way to greet someone new. Tom says this when he meets Sarah. Use it when you meet someone for the first time. 2. Do you mind me asking? A polite way to ask a personal question. Tom uses it to ask about Sarah's age, showing he is being respectful. Use this when asking something that might be too personal. 3. I love being in nature. This shows a strong feeling of happiness when outdoors. Sarah says this because she enjoys the peaceful forest and mountains. It's great for talking about hobbies or feelings. 4. Sounds amazing. Use this when someone tells you something exciting or interesting. Tom says this when Sarah talks about traveling around the world. It's a friendly way to show interest. 5. Let's get that fire started. Literally means to start a fire, especially in the context of camping. Use this for example. It's getting cold. Let's get that fire started before sunset. That is all for this section. I am proud of you guys. Did you enjoy this video? What's your suggestion for the next one? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends if you found this helpful. See you in the next video. Bye for now.